double up. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I will bring you along my wash day routine. I am using mainly Shea moisture products, so if you guys are interested in a toxic free natural hair product wash day, then keep on watching. So now I'm jumping in the shower, and the very first thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wet my hair and start detangling it. If you guys saw my last hair video, you guys know that I like to detangle my hair first thing when I get into the shower, and that's because I want to make sure my hair is detangled before I apply any product on it.
Mostly I would rather be blind.
Now the first product that I'm using is this Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration shampoo from Shea Moisture. I really like that shampoo because it doesn't make my hair feel so dry, and it really helps retaining the moisture. And next I am using this scalp massager from Vanity Planet, which really helps with lifting out the dirt out of my scalp.
Just as soon as I don't care to be lost in the convenience of your memory. I'm screaming underwater every time.
Once my hair is nice and clean, I am gonna separate it into 4 sections, and I'm gonna separate each 4 section in multiple sections because I want to make sure that the products that I'm applying will really moisturize every single strand of my hair.
It never seems like you're the one that has to choose.
The next product that I'm using is this Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydration hair mask from Shea Moisture as well. I really like it because it is so moisturizing, and guys, it smells so good. I love it.
Ooh, encapsulated by your apathy. Love me like a common melody. Yeah, keep my Charlotte in a basket and force me with your hand. My indignation goes beyond my neck. I might show up when you least expect, and whose final scene it is will be left up to you.
Once I'm done deep conditioning my hair, I am gonna apply 2 plastic caps onto my hair, and I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I am gonna rinse the product from my hair. I rinse it only a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm applying a little bit of water because I do want some of the deep conditioner to remain on my hair. Alright, so this is my hair when it's about, I would say, 40% dry. As you guys can see, I'm getting so much definition. The top of my hair is always really frizzy. Like, I haven't come across a deep conditioner or a product that would not make my hair so frizzy. But when I will, I'll tell you guys, I promise. So once again, I'm gonna separate my hair into 4 sections that I'm later on gonna separate into multiple sections. And the very first thing I'm gonna do is that, again, I'm gonna apply water. Once my hair is really damp, I am gonna apply oil on it.
You know I wish you were here all the time. Living my
After that, I am gonna use the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner from Shea Moisture. And the last product I'm applying is the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel from On Jackies. I really love this gel. So far, it's my favorite, so I would definitely recommend it to you guys, especially if you have hair just like me that shrinks so much. Like, I swear I'm struggling to find products to like make my hair really long and not shrinks and so like voluminous, but that one is so good.
Guess you've been dreaming about me day and night. I think that's real, cause then you won't forget me. And it's the reason why I hold you tight. And I will pray that day doesn't come. know I wish you were here all the time. You know I wish you were here all the time. Living my fantasies out in real life. Everything I'll give to you, darling, but until we reach morning, you're mine. And don't you worry now, baby, I'm the man you've been craving this time. Everything I'll give to you, darling, but until we reach morning, you're mine. And don't you worry now, baby, I'm the man you've been craving this time.
And this is how my hair looks like once it dries. So as you guys can see, I still get a lot of definition. Keep in mind that my hair is really frizzy, so I feel like no matter which products I'm using, my hair will be frizzy on top. But as you can see, it's really healthy, and I think like it does a really good job at moisturizing my hair. And that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please support your girl. I am just starting on YouTube, so I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.